hurricanes. My children sat here and cried. That's how they sounded. They got raped many of years by slaves. Which they were slaves.
Watch this, my brother.
And this is this guy in the butthole. That's why he's asleep.
Kayaka, kayaka. Kayaka, kayaka. Why sit you? Why sit you?
From here, I'll let my brother Todd take it along. And my brother Jesse, my cousin brother, he comes from many moons. He is only a youngling, but he knows the ways of the natives.
I am Jesse, come from the moons. Back in the day, we used to hunt buffalo and turkey.
Turkey.
And dinosaurs. But the cavemen, those motherfuckers took our shit. They took it! What the? Come on! Want it back! And yeah, now I'm stuck here in New Mexico, starving in the desert. All I got is motherfucking rabbits and shit. Those white men used to take all our buffalo, rape our women, fuck our mothers and daughters. Now we fuck their mothers and daughters and their grandmothers. They are nothing but whores and sluts. Them black women have nice big pussies too. Smells nasty once in a while, but it's good most of the time. Those gay guys up there in front always fucking each other in the butthole. Yep, see, look at them. They're all going for it. Check them out. And then especially the guy holding the wheel. He likes to take it big time in the butt. So is the guy in the ribbon shirt. That was many moons ago. Now this guy right here bending over. 2 crow feathers and 1 eagle. Likes to take it. This brother right here is nothing but a lazy old man. He likes to fuck old women. Now I'm gonna hand it over to my brother Jesse. Well, yeah, as my cousin Todd told you, we raped a lot of women. We slept with a lot of women. We ate their pussies too. But most of all, they like it Indian style, Pueblo style. And as we go forth in this world, we start planting our seeds in them. Planting them real good. Making it hurt. And hurt. And hurt.
Ow.